Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to start a business, 2025 is a year to do it, especially if you're thinking about AI agents. Why? Because AI isn't just a trend, it's a trillion-dollar revolution. And today, I'm not just giving you one or two ideas, I'm sharing 21 powerful AI-driven business ideas that can make you money. These aren't random concepts. They are real, scalable opportunities that businesses desperately need. Think about it. Companies worldwide are looking for ways to automate work, cut costs, and increase efficiency. If you can build the right AI solution, you're sitting on a gold mine. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the first business idea. 1. AI-powered freelance marketplace. Imagine a platform like Fiverr, but instead of human freelancers, AI agents provide services. Need a business logo? A custom AI designer creates it in minutes. Want a professional email copy? An AI copywriter handles it. The best part? Traditional platforms take a 20% commission from freelancers. But with AI, you keep 100% of the revenue and still charge less than human freelancers. This means higher profit margins and faster results for clients. Who wouldn't want that? 2. AI sales agent for video outreach. Businesses spend hours crafting sales emails and video presentations. But what if an AI agent could analyze past successful sales calls and automatically generate high-converting video sales letters? This AI tool would review past sales calls, identify what worked, tone, messaging, offers, create a personalized video sales pitch using AI avatars, send them to potential clients via email. Since video sales letters already convert better than text-based outreach, companies would pay top dollar for this service. 3. AI compute rental marketplace. Every tech company invests in expensive AI compute resources, like GPUs, but doesn't use them 24/7. So, what if there was a marketplace where businesses could rent out their unused AI computing power? You'd match companies with idle GPUs, supply, developers and startups who need affordable AI compute, demand. By taking a cut of each transaction, you create a passive income stream while solving a billion-dollar problem. 4. AI-powered customer support automation. Customer support costs millions annually. But what if 80% of support tickets could be handled automatically? This AI agent would identify frequently asked questions, generate instant responses and documentation, reduce human workload and support costs. 5. AI agent for monetizing social media accounts. Thousands of creators have huge audiences but fail to make money. This AI tool would analyze high-performing newsletters, social accounts, and Twitter profiles, identify accounts with good engagement but poor monetization, find sponsorship and ad opportunities, reach out to brands and negotiate deals. You'd take a cut of every sponsorship deal while helping creators maximize their revenue. 6. AI-powered product feedback analyzer. Every business collects customer feedback, but few know how to turn insights into action. This AI would analyze thousands of reviews and support tickets, identify hidden feature requests, suggest new product ideas based on real user needs. Businesses would happily pay a subscription fee for data-driven product improvements. 7. AI employees, the future of work. Companies are already hiring AI agents as employees. What if an AI tool could read a company's job description, understand the responsibilities, perform tasks automatically? From marketing and HR to accounting and data entry, companies could replace entire teams with AI. The cost savings? Massive. 8. AI for predicting customer churn, retention maximizer. Most SaaS businesses lose thousands when customers cancel subscriptions. But what if AI could predict churn 90 days in advance? This tool would analyze user behavior, identify at-risk customers, alert businesses so they can take action before it's too late. If a company can keep even 5% more customers, it means millions in extra revenue. 9. AI tool for finding niche B2B SaaS gaps. Instead of guessing which startup to build, why not let AI find profitable ideas for you? This agent would scan the internet for underdeveloped SaaS markets, identify loyal customer bases without strong competitors, suggest what software to build based on real demand. With this, you could build the next big SaaS tool without wasting years on trial and error. 10. AI agent for sales call analysis. Businesses struggle to understand what makes customers say yes. What if AI could analyze past successful sales calls, identify patterns in pricing, offers, and objections, create a winning sales script for future calls? This would skyrocket conversion for companies, making it a high-ticket B2B service. 11. AI learning environment for personalized education. People learn from articles, videos, and tweets, but information is scattered. What if AI could gather all your saved content, summarize it into flashcards and quizzes, create a personalized learning experience? This could work for exam prep, skill building, or even hobbies like cooking or investing. 12. AI-powered resume and cover letter writer. Job seekers struggle to craft the perfect resume and cover letter. This AI tool would analyze job descriptions, tailor resumes and cover letters for each role, optimize content using proven hiring insights. Since job seekers already spend money on resume services, this AI-powered tool will be an easy sell. 13. AI agent for personalized fitness and nutrition plans. People spend billions on diet plans and personal trainers. What if AI could create custom workout and meal plans based on goals, adapt recommendations based on progress, integrate with wearables like Fitbit? Subscription-based AI fitness coaching would be a game changer. 14. AI-powered podcast and YouTube content generator. Creators struggle to come up with fresh content ideas. This AI tool would analyze trending topics, generate script outlines, suggest SEO-friendly titles and keywords. With video and podcasting booming, this tool could dominate the market. 15. AI agent for real-time stock and crypto analysis. Traders and investors rely on market insights. This AI would analyze historical price data, detect real-time market trends, provide automated trading signals. High-value investors would pay top dollar for an AI-powered market intelligence tool. 16. The AI-powered personal CFO. Managing personal and business finances can be overwhelming. People often struggle with budgeting, tax planning, investment tracking, and optimizing cash flow. What if you could create an AI agent that acts as a personal CFO? The AI connects to bank accounts, investment portfolios, and credit card transactions to analyze spending habits and income trends. It suggests optimized budgets, tax deductions, and investment opportunities based on financial goals. The agent can even automate bill payments, track upcoming expenses, and send alerts when a spending limit is exceeded. 17. AI job application assistant. Applying for jobs is a tedious and time-consuming process. Candidates often struggle with tailoring resumes and cover letters to each job posting, finding relevant job listings that match their skills, preparing for interviews with the right insights, scan job boards and shortlist relevant jobs based on the user's profile, auto-customize resumes and cover letters for each job posting using company keywords, provide real-time interview coaching, analyzing job descriptions to predict likely questions and help candidates refine their responses. 18. AI employee happiness and productivity monitor. Companies are struggling with high employee turnover. Studies show that unhappy employees are 4 times more likely to leave. An AI-powered platform that analyzes internal communication, emails, Slack, Zoom meetings, etc., to detect employee frustration or burnout signals. Topics employees complain about the most. Declining engagement levels in meetings. The AI suggests personalized interventions, such as flexible work schedules for overworked employees, recognition programs for those feeling undervalued, training suggestions for employees who need upskilling. 19. AI project manager that eliminates unnecessary meetings. We've all been stuck in useless meetings that should have been an email. Imagine an AI agent that automates status updates and decision-making. The AI tracks project progress, task completions, and roadblocks by integrating with tools like Asana, Trello, and Jira. Instead of holding unnecessary meetings, it summarizes key updates and sends them to relevant team members. It can even assign tasks, set deadlines, and nudge employees when they're behind schedule. 20. Personalized AI tutor for lifelong learning. Online courses are boring, long, and often ineffective. What if an AI tutor could create a personalized learning plan based on your goals? The AI agent analyzes your learning habits and adapts content delivery accordingly. It converts long YouTube videos, blogs, and articles into interactive flashcards and quizzes. It reminds you to revisit key concepts using spaced repetition. Example niches. Language learning. Helps users learn a new language by tracking progress and recommending daily practice. Finance and investing. Summarizes market trends and breaks down complex financial concepts. Coding and tech skills converts coding tutorials into hands-on exercises and interactive lessons. 21. AI companions for social interaction. Loneliness is a growing issue, especially among millennials, Gen Z, and middle-aged men. Some people struggle to make friends or find it hard to talk about their interests. The AI creates multiple chatbot friends based on user interests, e.g., music, sports, philosophy. These AI friends initiate daily conversations about relevant topics. Users can even engage in debate-style discussions or share their thoughts without judgment. Monetization model. Freemium model, basic AI friends for free, premium personalities for a fee. Partner with mental health platforms to integrate AI companionship services. Custom AI personalities for users who want highly personalized interactions. We've just covered 21 groundbreaking AI business ideas that can help you automate complex tasks, save businesses time and money, build scalable revenue streams. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's looking to start a business in 2025.